God's people. Some nights I wanna get up here, sing a bunch of nonsense. I know that my voice ain't good enough for band lyrics. Not yet. This is the last song, a moment of truth. If this one fails, what good did the rest of them do? I'm trying to stay focused and stay in the moment, but all I can think about is if my fly has been open. I swore I checked before I came on. Maybe that was last night now. I just can't recall. I would ask you to check for me, but that would be asking a lot, so I'm just gonna check real quick. Oh, we're good. You're doing it wrong. Dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle. I'm here. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining it's hard up here, but so is everything. You know what my job was? Before I did this, I used to walk around parking lots picking up trash. You know how many people paid to watch me do that? Zero. Always zero. My poster sales were zero for my trash pickup job. So even if no one comes to this one, they still let me play guitar. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's the gorge, sometimes it's a garage. Get over yourself and do your goddamn job. Oh, y'all doing it wrong. Dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that you're here. Oh, yeah. When the candle flickers, when the days get dark, they call them first world problems, but they still break your heart. And the universe feels like it's against you. Just take a minute to realize all that it took to make you. Your parents had to meet. As random as that was, hang out long enough at least to make some love and make a baby and give it your name. All your ancestors had to do the same, exponentially backwards to the start of life. So much random shit had to happen just exactly right. Sparks had to catch, oceans had to freeze, billions of cells had to survive, endless disease, civilizations had to crumble, wars had to get fought, bad presidents had to get elected, bad presidents had to get shot, people had to leave, oh, hearts had to get broken, people had to die, just so your eyes could open. The universe is not against you. The universe is not against you if you allow just to give you a chance. What's the one that you hear? Pretty bad. No pressure though. No pressure though. Universe went through a lot LA, but no pressure, bro. You don't gotta be perfect. You don't gotta be a saint. Just always say this was not a mistake. Yeah, you're doing it wrong. Dissecting the bud, trying to find the soul. It's a miracle that's shown you.